we're basically in the midst of buffets from major policy moves. You've got the trade war that Trump has initiated from the U.S., our retaliation, and now we have a major platform by the Liberal government that's going to basically change the prospects for the economy.
Let's get into the elements that'll make up those prospects. You've got proposed tax cuts, and you've got some proposed new spending.
Yeah, when we tallied it up, we looked at the net additional fiscal support, both from higher spending and lower taxes, and it amounts to $77 billion now tally over the next 4 years. And that's largely going to be on the spending side. There's a number of the personal income tax cuts and corporate tax cuts, but it's mostly on the spending side. And that, if you look at it as a share of the economy last year, it's about 2.5% of the economy, spread over 4 years, mind you, but a pretty a significant amount of stimulus.
Let's just take that spending apart. There is defense spending that'll get us to that 2% target, infrastructure spending on highways and ports, and new housing.
Yes, and I think that what the Liberal platform is looking to do is boost the economy at the same time as building up our capacity, our potential, and those sort of bottlenecks that we've seen in the country for internal trade, even our exports for the rest of the world. So these are all things that need to be done. Now, the Conservative government had more of a let the private sector do it. This is more the government taking the lead. But we will see that actually hitting the economy. We will see the tax cuts giving a little more money into the pockets of households. The corporate tax cuts are mainly, they backed off on the capital gains inclusion rate increase that was planned before, but there's something for basically broad swaths of the economy. And we think, if you go down to the forecast, which I'm sure is what your next question is going to be, we still think there's a recession coming from the trade war, but this is going to buffer it, but not eliminate it.